One of the options that you have with your contact list is to share your 5-star contacts. And the reason you may want to do that is to partner up with maybe someone in your upline to help you work on some of your best leads and your best contacts and grow your business. Just to refresh your memory, the way that you change the status of someone's level is that you just click on them and you can change them from a 3-star to a 5-star at any point. And so the context that you can share with someone else is your 5-star contacts. So let's just go ahead and take a look at all of my 5-star contacts, and I can quickly review and see these are all of the 5 stars that I am going to choose to share with someone. Now, if there's someone on this list that I don't want to share with someone else, I can simply change them to a 4-star instead of a 5-star, and they will no longer be shared. The other thing you want to make sure of is I am looking at the 5 stars here, but you'll notice that I'm looking at all of the contacts. So that includes a combination of my contacts and Rodrigo Celisi's contacts. I don't have the ability to share Rodrigo Celisi's contacts, only my contacts. So when I'm reviewing the list of who I'm going to be sharing, I'll want to look at my contacts and then look at the 5-star ratings, and then I'll have an accurate list of who I will be sharing. Okay, so the way that we share the contacts is just by clicking Share My 5-Star Contacts. And you can see that I've got 13 contacts currently rated at a 5-star rating. And I'm going to choose to share these individuals with Rodrigo Celis. And by sharing my list with him, I am choosing to allow Rodrigo to have access to all of the contact information to contact these people on my behalf. So make sure that you review that list prior to sending that and make sure that they're contacts that you want to share. And then I simply click Share Contacts. Now, once those have been shared and assigned, both Rodrigo and myself will be notified that those contacts have been shared. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and log out as myself and log in as Rodrigo so that you can see how the contacts will come through on his side. Okay, so now now that you can see that I'm logged in as Rodrigo Celis, and he can go to his contacts, and he can choose to see, now he has several options. He can view all of his contacts, which will be a combination of his original contacts and Laurie Lohner's contacts, or he can just choose to see his contacts only, or he can just choose to see the contacts that Laurie Lohner shared only. So you can see that there's 14 contacts, and he can choose to view them if he wanted to by rating by Laurie Lohner 5 stars, and then he would see all 14. And you can see here with this alert as well that he got notified that the new contacts have been shared with him. So again, he can choose to view all of his contacts, which will be a combination of his original contacts and any other lists that people have shared with him. He can choose to see just his contacts or just the other individual's contacts. And as many people as would like to can share their contacts with you. So you can have as many different lists as you want, and they will all just show up here as a list continuing down.